What if humans had square heads? When we picture a human face, we think of the rounded contours of the skull that have evolved to balance protection, function, and appearance. Our heads are shaped this way to guard the brain, allow muscles to move smoothly, and fit comfortably with the rest of the body. But what if humans had square heads instead? A world full of block-shaped faces might sound like the setup for a cartoon or video game, yet the consequences would be surprisingly profound. From biology and safety to fashion and culture, this change would reshape human life in strange and unexpected ways. From a biological standpoint, the human skull's rounded design distributes force evenly, which helps absorb impacts and prevent injuries. If skulls were perfectly square, the edges and corners would take the brunt of collisions. This could make square-headed humans more vulnerable to fractures, concussions, or pressure points. On the flip side, a cube-shaped head might actually create slightly more space for the brain, possibly increasing intelligence or memory capacity. However, that extra space would also require stronger support in the neck and spine, since a heavier, boxier skull would put new strain on the human body. Daily life would also be dramatically affected. Helmets, hats, and even eyeglasses would need to be redesigned to accommodate blocky heads. Hairstyles would likely evolve into geometric patterns to complement the new skull shape, with people styling their hair into sharp lines or stacked cubes. Facial expressions might also change in subtle ways, since muscles would need to stretch and contract over flat planes instead of smooth curves. Smiles, frowns, and laughter might look stiffer or exaggerated compared to what we recognize today. On the social side, beauty standards would undergo a total transformation. Today, humans often value symmetry, smoothness, and proportion in faces. In a world of square-headed people, angular features and perfectly aligned sides could become the ultimate mark of attractiveness. Entire industries from cosmetics to fashion might shift toward highlighting straight edges and blocky designs. Even architecture and art could reflect this aesthetic, with humans drawing inspiration from their own angular appearance. In the end, a square head might sound funny, but it reveals just how deeply biology influences culture and society. The shape of the skull affects everything from health to personal identity, and changing it would ripple through every part of daily life. A world of square-headed humans would be strange to imagine, but it might not be as far-fetched as it seems. After all, evolution has already produced countless variations in skull shapes across different species, so why not cubes?